Question 9, it's a money income tax question. You get told that Bob works as a computer engineer. He pays income tax, USC and PRSI on his gross salary, and his gross salary monthly is $4,250. It says the standard rate of tax is 20%, the higher rate is 40%. He's got tax credits of $3,300 per annum and a cutoff of $32,800 per annum. How much income tax does he pay per month? Correct near a cent. So you have to just make sure in reading that you note that you got told it's a monthly salary, but all the allowances, etc. are yearly. Right? So if we want to find out how much he has to pay per month, you would go his monthly wage times 12. Right? So you're getting 51,000 gross yearly money. From that, you take away the standard cutoff, right? And you have 18,200 left over. Up to the standard cutoff, you're going to work out 20%, so you're going to multiply by 0.2. So you're getting 6,560, which is your low tax. The above value is your 18,200. You're going to work out what 40% is. So when you multiply by 0.4, and you get 7,280, add those two values together, and you get 13,840. From that, you subtract the tax credit, so you're taking away your 3,300, and you get 10,540. So that is his year net wage. In terms of the question, it doesn't want year net wage, it wants monthly net wage, so you're going to then divide that by 12. So when you divide it by 12, you get 878.333. Right? So that means his income tax is 878.33 monthly. Okay, part 2, it says Bob also pays USC on his gross salary. He pays USC at rates of 0.5% on the first 1,001 per month, 2.5% on the earnings between 1,001 and 1,564, and 5% on the balance. So what you are going to do is, for the first 1,000, he is paying, 1,001, he's paying 0.5%. So you multiply your 1,001 by your 0.005, and you're getting 5.005 euros. Between 1,564 and 1,000, which is 563 euros, he is paying 2.5%. So you multiply that 563 by your 0.025, and you're getting 14 euros 0.075. And then above that amount of money, so you've got 4,250, which is his monthly wage. Take away your 1,564, so you're left with 2,686. You're going to multiply that by your 5%, and you get 134 euros and 30 cents. So the USC is these three figures added up, so you add them up and you get 153.38. Okay. Next part, it says Bob also pays PRSI of 109 euros per month. So how much can Bob expect his take-home pay to be? So in terms of take-home pay, he's got USC of 153.38 a month. So multiply that by 12, and we have 1,840.56 a year on USC. His PRSI was 109 euros, so again by 12, and we're getting 1,308. Your tax was 10,540, okay, for the year. So you add them all up, and you get 13,688.56. Right, so that's how much his expenditure was. So his take-home pay is your 51,000. Take that away, so you have him taking home 37,311.44. Okay. Part B, it says Bob wants to find out how much money he regularly spends, so he prepares a spreadsheet. So in terms of the spreadsheet, you got told the standing charge for his electricity was $14.50, so that's standard, you always have to pay it. For his electricity, it's 15.33 cents per kilowatt hour, and he spends 66 kilowatt hours. So you multiply that out and you're getting 1,011.78, but that is cent. Just remember it's cent. So if we cent, that means it's 10 euros and 0.117, right? Which is basically 10 euros, 12 cents. Okay, broadband and TV is a standard 60 quid. Rent was 800. Gas at a standing charge of 650. But again, you have to calculate the spending cost on your gas. So you have 4.589 cents per kilowatt hour. He used 300 kilowatt hours this time, so you multiply that out, and you're getting the answer in cents. So you've got 1,376 cents, which translates into 13 euros and 76.7 cents, which would be 13 euros 77. His bus ticket is 132 a month. His mobile is 45 euros a month. So the total per month is 1,081.88. Okay, or close enough to that when you round these two up. So the next part, it says, how much disposable income does Bob have left after each month when he pays it all? So his wage, we had worked out, was 37311.44, okay, for the year. So divide that by 12. So when you divide it by 12, he has 3,109 euros 28 cents a month. He's spending 1,081.88, so take that away. So you're left with 2,027.40.6 cents, or 2,027.41 euros a month. Okay, and the final part, it asks you to write that as a percentage of his net income. So again, this was monthly, so multiply it by 12 to get yearly. Put it over his yearly figure of net income, and divide across, so we're getting 0.6520, so that translates to 65.2%. Okay, so that is that. But in terms of that question, the big thing that people can get wrong is that you don't cop that this is in cent. But think about it realistically. Would you pay 1,000 euros on electricity a month? Would you pay 1,300 euros on gas a month? Could you afford to? Okay, so just look at numbers if ever you get money questions.